dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. When you receive an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a successful dropshipping business. 1. Choose a niche. Research. Select a niche with low competition but good demand. Interest and experience. Choose a niche that interests you and where you have some knowledge, making it easier to stay motivated. 2. Find reliable suppliers. Reliability. Check the supplier's background and read reviews. Product quality. Order samples from suppliers to verify the quality. Shipping time. Ensure the supplier has reasonable shipping times and can deliver on time. 3. Choose an e-commerce platform. Platforms. Set up your store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Customization. Make your store attractive and user-friendly. 4. Set up your store. Domain name. Choose a professional and memorable domain name. Theme. Pick an appealing theme that matches your niche. Product listings. Provide detailed descriptions and high-quality images of your products. 5. Set up payment gateways. Secure payment options. Integrate reliable payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, etc. Multiple options. Offer various payment methods to your customers. 6. Create a marketing strategy. Social media. Promote your products on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers related to your niche. SEO. Optimize your store for search engines to increase organic traffic. 7. Focus on customer service. Response time. Address customer queries and issues promptly. Return policy. Have a clear and customer-friendly return policy. 8. Analyze and improve analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics to understand your store's performance. Feedback. Listen to customer feedback and make necessary improvements. Conclusion. Starting a dropshipping business is straightforward, but making it successful requires time, effort, and the right strategies. Follow these steps and continually analyze and improve your business. Success will follow gradually.